Assalamualaikum viewers. I hope you are well and I am also well. Now I am going to showing the road Ghoshal to Dhulsura. You know that Ghoshal to Dhulsura was something or 60% construction work is over. At least 40% work is over and list that is Ghoshal to Ghoshal ground and Ghoshal mosquito and other list of the work Argushal to Kedarpur. You know that, and I am showing the road construction and at least the working, and this working is running, and now this work is going on and continue Ghoshal mosquito to Ghoshal market. This is the cover wall and other work and next work and three steps of works, and I hope that this is cover at least 1 month, and I am saying something about the manager of the construction road, and he says that it is over at least 1 month. So we saying that it is over and finished the work at Ghoshal to Dhulsura road is at over 1 month. Thank you, every well and goodwill. Allah Hafiz.